Two AI giants, ChatGPT and Perplexity, are competing to be your ultimate digital assistant. But which one fits your needs better? Let's find out together in this video. One offers visual brilliance, while the other brings versatility. But which one truly delivers? Let's dive in. AI assistants are evolving rapidly, and today we are comparing two of the biggest names, Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. Perplexity introduces a unique visual-first approach, while ChatGPT's new Tasks feature is reshaping how we think about productivity. We will explore their origins, capabilities, future ambitions, and discover which assistant truly wins this war. Founded in 2022, Perplexity AI built its reputation on flexibility, allowing users to switch between advanced models like GPT-4, Claude, and DALL-E. Now it's stepping into the Android assistant space, combining live view features and on-screen context for an interactive experience. OpenAI's ChatGPT launched in late 2022 and quickly became synonymous with conversational AI. Updates like plugins and code interpreter expanded its capabilities, and with the recent launch of Tasks, ChatGPT is now entering the assistant space, aiming to do more than ever before. While both started as powerful chatbots, now they are racing towards redefining digital assistants. What makes ChatGPT's Tasks feature stand out isn't just scheduling, it's a variety of real-world uses that come with it. You have the ability to start your day informed. ChatGPT can deliver tailored news updates, saving you time scrolling through multiple sites. Imagine customized bedtime stories for your kids. With unique plots every night, ChatGPT can spark creativity. Fitness plans. ChatGPT can act as your fitness coach, crafting detailed routines based on your equipment and goals, delivered exactly when you need them. Research briefings. Need quick insights on a topic? Assign ChatGPT a research task and wake up to a concise, ready-to-read briefing. These capabilities show how Tasks could merge the functionality of multiple apps into a single AI-driven hub, similar to how smartphones revolutionized technology. Let's talk about the ease of use. Perplexity shines with its intuitive live view and context tools. Point your camera at text or objects and you'll get instant answers. Whereas ChatGPT, although it's not visually interactive, excels in organization, offering the proactive approach by suggesting tasks based on your conversations. Understanding the limits. While both of them have some great features incoming, they do have some limitations. For ChatGPT Tasks, currently you can only run up to 10 tasks simultaneously, which might feel limiting for power users. It can't make payments or complete online transactions yet, keeping it behind some traditional assistants. The limitations of Perplexity. Its lack of a voice activation can feel outdated compared to competitors like Google or Siri. As of now, Perplexity is limited to Android, which limits its accessibility for iOS users. What next? OpenAI is reportedly working on an extension called Operator, which could take ChatGPT to the next level. Imagine an AI that can open apps, navigate websites, and even control your computer autonomously. This is a big leap, but also raises questions about privacy and control. Perplexity could soon integrate AR, allowing it to interact with the real world. From outreach suggestions to real-time problem solving, the possibilities are endless. Who is the winner of this competition? This assistant war isn't just a battle, it's a catalyst for innovation. Both Perplexity AI and ChatGPT are pushing the boundaries of what digital helpers can do. Perplexity brings immediate interaction, making it the go-to for real-time visual tasks. ChatGPT's proactive tools and creative features make it perfect for productivity and planning. Ultimately, it's a win-win for users. Whether you prefer Perplexity's real-world interaction or ChatGPT's versatility, the future of AI assistants is brighter than ever. It's the users who are winning in the end using these tools. Are you Team Perplexity or Team GPT? Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and for more such videos, stay tuned.